Come on. Come on.
You definitely not gonna hit her. You definitely not gonna hit her.
You don't throw things at officers.
Christmas Day, a residential hallway. Officers responding to the same address for the second time in one night, and it was about to get worse. This is the second call to the same location, same individuals. Under Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968, that pattern alone justifies heightened investigative authority. Multiple parties, contradictory accounts. Under Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, officer conduct is judged on information available at the moment, not in hindsight. Officers arrange rideshare transport for the intoxicated subject rather than arresting immediately. Under Title 42, United States Code, Section 1983, exhausting non-arrest options strengthens the reasonableness record. Extreme intoxication, combative behavior, partial exposure in a shared corridor. This satisfies disorderly conduct in virtually every U.S. jurisdiction. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, confirmed, the Fourth Amendment permits warrantless arrest for misdemeanor offenses. Probable cause existed before the encounter escalated further.
Somebody, it wasn't her, it was her people's, I think. I don't know.
Were you fighting him?
I already talked about earlier, bro. I'm just trying to divert my situation.
So you weren't fighting anybody again?
Nope, I'm good.
You good? You don't need us for anything? You don't need EMS?
Him?
Maybe she do, I don't
He's
know.
fighting who is he, Chief?
Damn,
My
bro.
boyfriend, ex-boyfriend, I guess.
Alright, she said she was fighting with him.
Damn, bro.
You're fighting with him?
Why you asking me to me with you? I'm about to go to jail. I never
What
do.
apartment is this happening in?
I don't know. You okay? She's in the meeting. Help! Help! Help!
Was there a bunch of people fighting up here?
Fighting?
Yeah.
No.
What's going on?
Yeah, it's the police.
Yeah, we keep getting calls.
Hey! No! Hey!
You guys good? Yeah. You guys don't need us for anything?
No, they're good. They're good. I'm just driving person on the road.
Why don't you go back down to the first floor so you
No,
don't
I
fall?
ain't going on the first floor.
Your boob's hanging out. Go put it on.
Ooh, no.
Back up. Back up. Go for a
This
look.
is my son. He might be able to live.
Pretty sure in apartment 103.
No, he better go home with his mom. Really, get up. I can't. I suck as a person. Look, you see my fat?
Okay.
It's a lift coming right now.
I don't go home.
They take you home. We just pay for your lift.
Hey, somebody grab it for us.
I have no kids over here.
Where's your shoes?
Yo, good.
What apartment does she live in?
No apartment.
I'm sorry?
Chicago Falls.
What?
Chicago
She lives in
Falls.
the falls?
Yes.
But I just pay for a lift.
I have no apartment over here.
Wait.
So,
Before it get too loud,
put your shirt on.
I pay for her lift.
Thank
She's
you.
gonna go home
It's
first time.
good.
She's good. But she.
Listen, you want me to put this shit on?
Bro, get up.
It's wet as fuck.
You pissed everywhere.
Where's the other person at?
What, him? I ain't going down like that.
What is going on?
I know y'all seen me walk out the door.
Y'all keep doing this
I
bullshit.
just
She
wanna
good.
You
The more
need CEMS or anything?
The more
You need CEMS.
What? They live upstairs. I'm like,
I'm
I
sorry.
know I ran for my life. That's what I'm saying. I just came out my house, y'all saw me.
I know, I saw you.
them.
Did you hear what was going on?
No, they're all crazy. I can tell you that. I don't know about that, but all I know is my house is
Are you involved, man?
marijuana.
No, he ain't involved. I had
I
an
said
Uber.
my household limits.
Get me home.
But I don't know about none of them. All I know is I heard the ruckus.
I have
Stay here, man. We gotta figure out what's going on. This is the second time we're here out for a fight.
I'm only 15, I'm not.
I don't. 15-year-olds don't fight.
Stop asking this question. No.
So we gotta figure that out.
The subject threw a urine-soaked garment at an officer's face. That single act converted a misdemeanor situation into a felony instantaneously. Throwing bodily waste at a law enforcement officer constitutes felony harassment by an inmate in most U.S. jurisdictions. Probable cause was established the moment it left her hand. Officers responded with handcuffing, soft, empty hand control. All 3 Graham factors favor that response: felony offense, active resistance, ongoing biohazard threat. A search incident to arrest followed a recognized Fourth Amendment exception. Under Chimel versus California, decided in 1969, no warrant required, constitutionally sound.
Hey, are you fraud? You're going to jail. You're done. Hey,
No. Stop asking this question.
That was really stupid.
Alright.
She is, I got her.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Get up. Come on. Come on.
You definitely not going to hurt her. You definitely not going to hurt her.
You don't throw things at officers.
You hold me.
No, stop. That's an easy way to catch a charge.
Alright. Stop moving. No.
Stop.
Stop touching me.
You can put her in the back of the car. Fine. Why would you think that's okay, man?
I don't care.
You want to search her?
Go ahead. Search it.
You have
I ain't
anything
got
on you?
shit on me. Hurt me.
What?
Yeah. Search me.
Hey, man. Stop.
No. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm gonna double lock these cuffs, all right?
No, you what?
No.
Okay, stop touching me. You going
How
in?
much have you been drinking tonight?
A lot.
Do you need EMS at all?
No.
Get in the back of the car, please. Get in the car.
Stand up. Get on in there.
I don't give a fuck.
Hey man, what's your social? What's your first name?
Bridget.
Why would you throw your shirt at my face?
Because it's... I'm gonna get all my arms up.
Alright, man. You got that number for me?
Yeah, bro.
Listen, man. She's
I don't
incredibly...
want to crash out, bro. I didn't want to.
She's incredibly intoxicated, so, like, I'm gonna give her a number, but I can't guarantee she's gonna call you, okay?
Todd, release some shit real quick. Oh, I'm hurt.
Release
bro.
some shit?
Like, I'm hurt, bro. I'm gonna tell you the number while you talk to me.
Okay, what's that number?
Oh,
Alright, she's going to county for the drunken disorderly.
isn't that like what's the charge?
Drunken
Drunken
disorderly.
disorderly. So the misdemeanors?
It's an info. So she'll probably, with today being Christmas, did you just get another call?
There was another one that was coming in as we were pulling up, pretty much.
What? Fuck, man, it's hurt me though. It's hurt me because she just literally got, like, she had some charges going on, like the similar ones. They just approved her to get to stay in conviction of lieu, so she can, like.
Listen, man, it's the lowest. Besides a minor misdemeanor.
No, but it's like she's on probation, so like, you know what I'm saying. You know
listen, they tend to work with people. Okay, so it's not the biggest deal in the world. Okay?
No, it's over. It's over. They told her. She already closed some cases.
Okay, what is going on? Why are all these fights happening?
I don't.
It's the second time
know.
we've been here. Now it's gonna be. Now my other two partners just had to go back inside.
I'm about to
so
go.
what is going on?
I don't know.
It is Christmas.
This
guys.
shit is evil.
It have
over
nothing
here.
to do with me. I'm chilling.
No, this shit is evil over here, bro.
I was finna get in the shower.
Who can we talk about who is starting these fights? Listen, like, it's Christmas. I just got a piss shirt filled thrown in my face. I'm not in a good mood. Like,
bro, please
and then now we
give her some ease.
Ease.
I thought she just pissed in your face, but god damn. Like, god damn, man.
So when we leave here, and when they leave here, I want the incidents to stop.
Okay.
So if you guys are not affiliated, is there somewhere else we can go tonight so there's no more fights?
No, you're probably gonna come back here again.
But it ain't got nothing to do
Like,
with
this is not even my area. I patrol miles south of here, and I'm coming up here. You know what I'm saying?
we can't help that. We can't help that.
I'm just saying, this fight's gotta stop, okay?
Yeah.
So wherever you guys stay at, whatever room you are.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. You would never get a call from us. We good.
Can we go into the room and stay there?
Yes.
Trying, man.
Okay.
That's my sister in the back of that car. That should hurt me, bro. It is.
Well,
I know she threw a piss filled shirt at your face.
Listen, man, we were just talking. We were probably going to leave, and then she did that. You know what I'm saying? It's not smart. But obviously, she's intoxicated, so we're not making smart decisions right now. So for you guys, let's make smart decisions. Go into your room, wherever you guys are staying. Okay? I'm going to go check on my partners in there.
Can I push her to the window or something? Or she too
She'll give you a call at county. Most
you
likely.
will give her the number, though.
No, that number's going with her. She doesn't have any property, so it's going to go with her. And then, since tomorrow, I don't know if anything's going to be backed up. Generally, she'll probably have court in the morning. But with today being Christmas, it might get pushed later, okay?
The subject is on active probation. A new arrest does not only trigger new charges, it independently triggers revocation proceedings under Morrissey versus Brewer, decided in 1972. Revocation requires only a preponderance of evidence, more likely than not. Even if the new charges are dismissed, incarceration under the prior sentence remains possible. Charges filed: disorderly conduct, a fourth-degree misdemeanor, and felony harassment by an inmate. Case status at time of analysis: unresolved. Officers B+. De-escalation was genuine and sustained. Force response was proportionate. No constitutional violations appear on this record. The grade stops short of an A because a second call warranted earlier, more decisive. Scene separation, limiting the window for escalation. The subject D offered a de-escalation exit. She declined. Then committed a felony assault on an officer while on active probation. No viable First, Fourth, or Fifth Amendment claim exists on these facts. The grade is not an F, only because she complied once physically secured. The male relative, B, cooperative, transparent, non-interfering, made genuine efforts to de-escalate without complicating the officer's work. Lesson 1. De-escalation is a legal asset. Document every non-arrest attempt. It builds the reasonableness record against Section 1983 claims. Lesson 2. Probation creates double exposure. One impulsive act generates two independent proceedings, both capable of resulting in incarceration. Lesson 3. Misdemeanor to felony takes 1 second. The Thrown Garment 1 Act produced a felony charge, a biohazard exposure, and a probation violation. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction content.